In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up out-of-office replies in Outlook. Whether you are using the new Outlook, Outlook on the web, or the classic desktop version, I'll walk you through exactly what to click and what to write so your contacts know when you are away and when you'll be back. Let's start with New Outlook and Outlook on the web. Look to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. In the panel that opens, choose Accounts, then Automatic Replies. Turn on Automatic Replies using the toggle. If you want your message to run only while you are away, check Send Replies only during a time period. Then pick a start and end time. This is great because it prevents those "I forgot to turn it off" moments. In the message box for inside your organization, type the note your teammates will see. Keep it friendly and specific. Include your return date and, if appropriate, a backup contact. Next, decide how broadly to send your response. You can send replies to everyone or only to contacts. Choose what makes sense for you. Then click Save. That's it. Your automatic replies are active, and they'll follow the schedule you set. Now, if you are using classic Outlook on the desktop, here is how it works there. Click File in the top left to open the Backstage view. Select Automatic Replies, sometimes labeled Out of Office. Choose Send Automatic Replies. If you have specific away dates, set the time range so Outlook does the turning on and off for you. In the Inside My Organization tab, write the message that colleagues will receive. Again, it helps to share when you'll be back and who can help while you are out. If you also want to notify people outside your organization, switch to the Outside My Organization tab and enter a message tailored for external senders. When you are finished, click OK to put it all into effect. A few quick tips to make your message more helpful. Keep it concise, but informative. Mention your return date, your time zone if that matters, and an alternate point of contact if urgent issues come up. Avoid sharing personal or sensitive details. If your schedule is uncertain, you can simply say you'll reply as soon as you are back. And if your role involves customer-facing communication, consider wording that sets clear expectations for response times. You are all set. Thanks for watching.